Aady Learning Zone. Today, we are going to practice the three sounds of CH. Remember, CH can make three different sounds. Cha sound, like in chair. Ka sound, like in school. Sh sound, like in chef. Listen carefully to each word and decide if the CH makes a cha, ka, or sh sound. Let us begin. The first word is chair. Does the CH make a sound of cha, ka, or sh? The correct answer is cha sound. Next, the word is chemistry. Does the CH make a sound of cha, ka, or sh? The correct answer is ka sound. The word is chef. Does the CH make a sound of cha, ka, or sh? The correct answer is sh sound. Here is the word chicken. Does the CH make a sound of cha, ka, or sh? The correct answer is cha sound. The word is school. Does the CH make a sound of cha, ka, or sh? The correct answer is ka sound. The word is chic. Does the CH make a sound of cha, ka, or sh? The correct answer is sh sound. Fantastic work, kids! You have practiced the three sounds of CH. Cha sound, like in chair or chicken. Ka sound, like in school or chemistry. Sh sound, like in chef or sheep. Keep practicing these sounds, and you will master them in no time. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aady Learning Zone for more fun and educational videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.